Tom here, Kartra VA, and I'm looking at your question on Facebook here. Evergreen sequence on Kartra and the countdown clock in Kartra sequence. Now that's interesting. That is a Kartra clock in a sequence. Can I redirect to a different WordPress page? I'm not sure if I understand completely your question because the redirect in Kartra, if you have a Kartra page, it can redirect to either a Kartra page, if you have it, or a regular URL, which could be your WordPress site. So if this timer is in an email, well, the question is, when someone clicks on the offer, where will they go? Okay, if they go to a Kartra page, absolutely, the timer can redirect them to a page with a higher price or a different page altogether. And it doesn't have to be a Kartra page. It could be a WordPress site. I hope it helps. Thank you.